Hello everyone, this is Asif. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we will see how to scrub Facebook group members for free without any cost. And if you guys don't know how to scrub Facebook group members, stay tuned in this video until the end and you will learn how to do it. If you guys are new in my channel, please hit the subscribe button to stay updated for my future videos. Let's get started. To scrub these members, I have already opened a group. Here you can see in this group, we have almost 156k members, so I don't need to scrub all this data, but I want to scrub almost 5000 data. To scrub this profile, we will use a tool. It's called PhantomBuster. So I have already opened it. Here you can see, I will attach the link in the video description so you can find it from there. And once you are logged in, you will be here in this page, and in solutions sections you can see there are lots of services here, like LinkedIn Search Navigator, LinkedIn, Google, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Yellow Pages. These are platforms where you can scrub or do outreach or something else. But for today's video, we will use Facebook. So I have to click on Facebook, and once you are clicked on Facebook, and you will able to see some other services like Facebook group members export, and then Facebook profile scrubber. Like if you want to scrub someone profile friend list, you can do it from here, and Facebook profile URL finder, you can do that too. But for this video, I have to click on Facebook group members export here. So at first I have to connect my Facebook here. Click on connect to Facebook, and as I have already logged in my Facebook profile here, and I have already added my Chrome extension, so it's automatically added the Facebook here. And now I have to click on save, and then here groups to scrub. So I have to paste the group link, like this Facebook group URL, and I have to paste it here. But if you have a Excel sheet, like here you can see that the group of Excel sheet containing a list of Facebook group URLs, you can do that too, but it should be a CSV format. If you are interested to see how you can scrub multiple group members, you can let me know in the comment section, so I will make a video on that topic. So let's move forward. Here you can see spreadsheet settings. As I'm not uploading any spreadsheet, that's why I'm not using it. Let's click on save, and then behavior. Here you can see how many data you are expecting to collect. So I have to put it here, like I want 500. The number of groups to proceed per launch, like if you are uploading a Excel sheet of multiple groups, then you can put it here that how many group do you want to scrub per launch. Like if you launch one time, and if you are interested to scrub 10 group, then you have to put it here 10. So I don't have any Excel sheet, or I'm not exporting multiple groups, so I'm not putting here anything. Remove duplicate profiles between groups. So if someone is connected in multiple group, then this tool will automatically remove this duplicate profile. And then the result settings, like if you want to name the file after downloading, so you can put it here, but it's default result, so it's fine for me. Then fields to keep, so I don't have to use it. Then save. For your account safety, you should not run the scrubbing process multiple times. That's why I am putting here once, and then launch options, it's manually. I'm not putting any time and date. Then save again, and now here you can see that Untitled Facebook group members export 2, and this is the file name. And then I have to click on launch to start the process. Now it will take some time, so I will be here in a moment, like once it's done.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's already 62% done, and now I can abort it, because I just want to show you guys, so I can complete the full process later. This video, it's turning off now. It's totally off now. Here you can see it's scrubbed almost 320 profiles or members. Now if I scroll below, here you can see the whole information: profile URL, name, first name, last name, profile picture, group name, and the group URL also, and then the member, from when he is the member of this group, and additional date, friendship status, and then the profile ID and timestamp also, so that there are lots of data. If you want to download this data, you have to click on download results. Now here it will ask you to upgrade to get more rows, but in free it will give you lots of information. That's fair enough for you, I think. Now it's downloaded. I'm almost at the end of this video, and I just want to let you know that for your account safety, don't export too much data at a day, because it can restrict your account. For your account safety, please try to export 5 to 10,000 data per day, not more than 10,000. If it's possible, try to keep it between 5,000 data. So that's it. That was the video. If you think the video was helpful, please feel free to like the video and subscribe my channel for future videos. And if you guys have any question, please let me know in the comment section so I can give you the answer. And if you guys need any help with data scrapping or lead generation, feel free to contact me via WhatsApp. I will put it in the video description, so you can contact me via WhatsApp. Thank you. See you in the next video.